TV, I am Ruchi Sharma. Michael Saylor's strategy has doubled its capital raising plan to $84 billion after posting a record first quarter loss due to an accounting change that values its Bitcoin holdings at market prices. The company has registered to sell another $21 billion in common shares and doubled the size of its planned debt purchase program to $42 billion, with $14.6 billion remaining. Shares of Strategy have surged almost 3,000% since Saylor first began buying Bitcoin in 2020. Canary Capital has submitted to the SEC to list its first ever state SAY ETF, a novel financial product that would allow investors to directly invest in SAY, the native token of the SAY network. It will seek to replicate the spot market price of SAY as determined by CoinDesk indices, and its NAV will be priced at 4 p.m. New York time each day. This product will not use derivatives and will hold actual SAY tokens in its custody. The two custodians for the ETF will be BitGo Trust Company and Coinbase Custody Trust Company to hold SAY tokens safely. These are not insured by the FDIC, but they have insurance policy to minimize risk of losses. Ripple is tightening its hold on the fast-growing crypto industry in the Middle East. This year, the company became the first blockchain payments provider to receive a license from the Dubai Financial Services Authority. This license enables Ripple to offer its Ripple payment service to businesses in the UAE. The firm generally wants to offer transparent cross-border payments in one of the world's biggest trade and remittance markets, according to a recently posted blog post. Meanwhile, the Middle East is now the world's seventh largest crypto economy. Ripple started growing in the region when it opened an office in Dubai in 2020. Now 20% of Ripple's total customers are in the Middle East. Binance Wallet has announced the latest integration of Sonic, a high-speed Layer 1 blockchain network, to its DeFi platform. This development will now allow Binance Wallet users to explore and trade emerging tokens within the Sonic ecosystem on Binance Alpha. While full details are yet to be disclosed, the initiative has already sparked excitement in the crypto community, with the price of the S token spiking nearly 18% since the announcement. To incentivize engagement and boost this integration, Binance Wallet has announced exclusive airdrop of S, the native currency of Sonic, and other tokens from the Sonic ecosystem. DogeCoin has launched a verification system using eye scanning device in 6 major US cities, including Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Austin, allowing users to create unique digital identities through biometric data. Users receive WLD tokens as reward for authentication, attracting international public attention due to both its technological structure and data security concerns. The price of WLD tokens surged rapidly following the launch but soon declined to $1.08. Despite this fluctuation, an almost 20% increase over the past week demonstrates ongoing investor interest. Charles Schwab, a major asset manager with $7.13 trillion under management, plans to launch spot cryptocurrency trading within the next year. This initiative is led by CEO Rick Wurster and reflects growing investor interest and evolving regulatory conditions. Schwab's upcoming launch is driven by favorable regulations allowing finance giants to engage securely in crypto markets. This initiative is poised to create ripples akin to previous high-profile market entries, enhancing major cryptocurrency accessibility and investor participation. Ondo Finance has announced its transition to the Solana blockchain to expand its tokenization applications aimed at digitizing real-world assets. The company is focusing on employing solutions like USDY to establish a suitable infrastructure for institutional usage, thereby facilitating asset transfer. Through integration with Solana's decentralized validation network, Ondo Finance is able to connect systems based on the proof-of-stake model with compatible networks such as Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Mantle. With assets worth $170 million on the platform, USDY is now poised for more effective use across various chains due to the new integration. This integration is expected to have positive effects on the market performance of Solana and Ondo native tokens. An increase in product demand from institutional investors is seen as one of the steps that will support the liquidity flow to the platform. Crypto exchange Kraken reported $472 million in revenue for the first quarter of 2025, reflecting a 19% year-over-year increase driven largely by heightened market volatility during the early days of President Trump's second term. Adjusted EBITDA also rose 17% year-over-year to $187.4 million, while overall trading volume on the platform surged by 29% over the same period. Kraken, which is preparing for a potential public listing in 2026, has continued to diversify its offerings. The company recently acquired NinjaTrader to enable derivatives trading in the US and has expanded into equities and ETFs through a brokerage deal with Alpaca. In the UK, Kraken launched derivatives trading in this week, marking a key move in its second largest market. Ethereum developers are working to improve blockchain interoperability with two new token standards, ERC-7930 and ERC-7828. The proposed system would allow the sender to specify the target blockchain when sending a payment address. This would include both a human-readable address at chain format and a machine-readable format for application programming interfaces. The setup prevents users from sending or receiving assets on the wrong blockchain, which helps prevent crypto losses. Currently, the same address can be used on multiple blockchains within the Ethereum ecosystem, which can lead to confusion. Banking giant Morgan Stanley reportedly plans to list cryptocurrencies on its E-Trade investment brokerage and trading platform. According to a May 1st Bloomberg report, the firm intends to list crypto assets on E-Trade in 2026. The plan is still in early development, and the bank is said to be exploring partnerships with established crypto firms to power the service. This would not be Morgan Stanley's first exposure to digital assets. The bank's wealthiest clients have had access to crypto exchange-traded funds and futures for some time, with the firm's advisors allowed to pitch Bitcoin ETFs since August 2024. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3TV, and for more information stories, log on to our website www.3TV.io or scan the QR code.